Is it your birthday today?
Yeah.
We just made a pretty big purchase, and we got
Safety stuff for me and everybody else.
Yep, we got a MOB system for Davis that he can wear. It's a wearable, so if something happens and he goes overboard, we're gonna be able to track him.
So it's just like a watch.
We got PLBs, we got an EPIRB for the boat, we got a new radar for the boat so we can see stuff, weather and other boats and stuff, and also
AIS.
we got AIS.
So what did we just buy?
We just bought a life raft that we'll pick up in Jacksonville. So we're good to go for a 6-man life raft.
It's
Similar to this.
yeah, it's similar to this, but this is a 4-person.
You gotta put your butt in, wiggle, and then sit back. Put your butt in, wiggle your butt, and then wiggle your butt. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
This is the one that I would like to get because this plus this.
The question answer is here.
All right.
How are you doing?
Good, I'm Rob.
I'm Gator.
Can you see?
Video witnessing of buying the new tender.
Buying the tender. Sandra, Sandra's down the line here.
One move. Say Doug.
Doug.